Hello, 44 Magnum, old Fatcat in a minute grass. Break. Bye, big bull. You still ain't that hammer down, big bull, old Fatcat. Aloha.
Yo, showdown and my goals getting on down. Here I get one up a factor, come out there and start talking. I had to get back. Oh, you later, lunch bucket. I'm back quiet now, lunch bucket. I see you. Big boy, I ain't on the big bucket.
Hey, big bull, old Fatcat waving a hand, take care. And 44 Magnum, old Fatcat trying to take a rabbit Ross bucket and say it's howdy doody. Hello, 44 Magnum, old Fatcat working a minute grass. Bye.
Hey, lunch bucket, you might have to go down and live.
Bye, 44 Magnum. Bye, 44 Magnum. Bump it down on you later. Hey, 44 Magnum. Ain't no party like a Fatcat party. 44 Magnum, Fatcat. Aloha.
Hey, Fatcat, big bull coming to the party. Big bull coming to the party. Hey, don't leave all this fucking professor. Leave big bull coming on. Fatcat, big bull. Get out and go.
Hey, big bull. You know you VIP. Hey, big bull, I got you down on a VIP list. Hey, big bull, Fatcat says, I got you down on a VIP list. Hey, big bull, ain't no party like a Fatcat party. Bye.
Bye. Let me see the VIP list. Take care, Fatcat. Mr. Big Bull, big horn, get out and go.
Bye, big bull. Anytime, man, you know you automatically on that VIP list. Take care, big bull, Fatcat working his mobile on the grass. Bye. Hello, John Deere, old Fatcat. Hey, John Deere, Fatcat. Bye, John Deere, Fatcat. Go.
You have a real good day. Keep the sunshine in your way. I'm back quiet. Sure, they tell me that it'll be a lesson to them. That'll be a lesson to them. That's a lesson to them. Take care of John Deere. I'm just repeating what my radio say. John Deere, showdown, getting up. Hey, look. Showdown. Hey, showdown, John Deere. Say that's the way I like it. Showdown. Bye. Oklahoma. Get your man out of Mississippi. Mr. Black Rooster. Yeah, I am right back to the radio. Mr. West, back the next time. Come on, man.
Hey, Black Rooster, Fatcat. Hey, Black Rooster, can Fatcat take a ride? Hello, Black Rooster, old Fatcat working his mobile. Hello, Mr. Black Rooster, old Fatcat in a minute grass. Break.
Tell him I got the full meal deal. Till 5 through 9, he got a half a bill, and I got a whole bill. Showdown, deal going. I'll see you, B. Hey, LB, you do it with me all the time. Oh, LB, you said they kept making lunch buckets in the swamp. Good evening, Logan Boy. Good evening, my friend, Logan Boy. Hey, Logan Boy. Good evening to you around the Big Island, Big Bull, Big Horn, get out and go. Hey, showdown.
Bye around Oklahoma, old fat kid gonna wave the hand. Hello around Oklahoma, old fat cat, mobile. And our big bull, you still got that hammer down, old fat cat working the mini grass. Break.
Mobile, what you mean? Bye, bye. Hey, show 30 dBs over here in the Carolina, man. Hey, show, you got 30 dBs in my radio coming out the mini grass. Hey, hammer down, I'm gone. I'll put it on you later on, meantime, in between time, I'll get back in the easy chair and read the mail on your talk show. Uncle LB, I see you, bye-bye. Here's your box. Put in line. Hey, content, but he told.
Can old fat cat take a ride with Uncle LB? Can old fat cat take a ride with Uncle LB? Y'all around Oklahoma, old fat cat and more fat cat coming out the mini grass. Break.
Gotta feel back a little bit, but I know what time it is. I sure do. All right, my friend.
Black Rooster, fat cat. Hey, Black Rooster, fat cat. Hello, Black Rooster, old fat cat working a minute grass. Break. Hey, 549, old fat cat. Hey, 549, fat cat gonna take a ride with LB. Hello, 549. Ain't no party like a fat cat party. 549, fat cat got down.
Ain't no party like a fat cat party. Hey, fat cat, you say ain't no party like a fat cat party. Hello, my friend, fat cat 0549. I'm just getting home. Break.
And you got it going on, 549. You got that copy of smoking in the grass. Well, you showing up and showing out for sure, not for real. Check it out, 549. I'm running a wet t-shirt contest today. Check it out, 549. Old fat cat. Ain't no party like a fat cat party. Bye.
Ain't no party like a fat cat party. Hey, fat cat 549. There ain't no party like a fat cat party. Take care, fat cat. I'm gonna pull up and pull out. The big man in Mississippi, fat cat. I'm getting on down.
Bye, 549. Well, you showing up and showing out, and you doing a walk away? Hey, 549, I want to see you do that walk away. 549, fat cat, go.
Hey, fat cat, watch me walk away. Fat cat, I'll see you. Bye.
30 dBs are walking away. I'll see you.
I've been playing this game 40 years. Funk down on you later. Lunch bucket, big bull, big horn, get out of y'all.
40 years in the business, that's what you said. Hey, Big Bull, Fat Cat, heard you said it's 40 years in the business. That's why I put you on my VIP list. Hey, Big Bull, that's why Fat Cat put you on a VIP list. Because you've been doing it 40 years. Take it, Big Bull, Fat Cat. Ain't no party like a Fat Cat party. Bye.
Hey, Fat Cat, 44magnum. Hey, Fat Cat, let old Big Bull know I still got my cat making bull whip. Hey,
You said you got your bull whip. You still got your bull whip before I heard 44magnum waving a hand. And you bust out and you said, I still got my bull whip. Old Fat Cat with the 5. Bye. Bye, Big Daddy. I heard you, man. Hello, Big Daddy, Fat Cat. Hey, Big Daddy, come on down to the party, Big Daddy, Fat Cat. Hey, Big Daddy, ain't no party like a Fat Cat party in a mini grass. Break.
Hey,